Hey guys.
Okay. This is awkward. I hate intros. Okay,
I can do it for you. Today, we're making some funfetti cake in this for my birthday.
Y'all want to introduce yourselves?
Yeah, I'm Sophie.
I'm Riley.
Oh, I'm Sim.
Ren.
Okay. But my YouTube name is Sim.
Ray.
Ray.
Okay.
Go
Ren.
subscribe to her. Yeah.
Yeah, links down below. Okay.
Started. Let's just get cracking, a lacking.
Can I crack an egg?
So, first thing
Sophie loves cracking
you have
eggs.
to do is put this in this.
Wait, okay.
Just
no,
like
set
this.
the oven. Set oven to
I
130
did.
degrees. Okay. Coat bottom of pan with no stick cooking spray or shortening and a flour dusting. What? Get
I think
spray.
that just means pan.
Spray? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, do that.
We can do that later.
We can do it now so we don't forget. Because we're going to follow the directions.
Okay, Dad. Yes.
I thought your pan was in here, but it's not.
Okay.
Oh wait.
What's the pan?
It asks for 3 whole eggs, but we only have 2.
I have
Oh, shit,
another.
sorry.
Do we have Pam?
Yeah, Dad.
Can I crack an egg now?
Confettis. Wait. Stop. It's really hot.
Crack it right now?
Wait. You're cracking.
Did
You
you
don't
like
have the
me picked up?
eggshells.
Smiley. Oh my god.
Okay, that's enough.
Oh.
I was about to burp and it didn't come out.
I'm water soluble.
Oh, that's the second time.
If we don't talk.
Am I like stupid or can I just not get this off?
Talk.
I can't.
Morgan, can you get this off?
Pills and potions.
What?
We're dosing so bad.
Oh my god. We don't condone drugs, no. I don't know how to do this.
Are y'all like actually like dumb?
Yeah. It's gonna break.
That's such a good idea. Slay me.
Wait.
Yes.
Morgan, you just slayed me so hard.
I think you're gonna stab yourself.
Oh, hi.
Sean!
Come make an appearance. Do you remember me? No. It's fine.
Can I whisk it?
Come here. Sean, do you know me? No. No, Sean, come here. You've never met me before. No. My name's Come
Riley.
here. Why is he just
Come in the
laughing?
That's what he does.
Come here.
He's antisocial.
I'm Morgan.
Oh, this is my little brother. His name's Sean. Say hello. You can leave now.
I'm gonna kill the funfetti.
What's that gonna do? She's thick.
Morgan. Is she good?
She's thick.
They can't see the pouring. Oh, there they can.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's barely gonna fill it.
Oh yeah.
No, it will.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Then you put your thingy that you just created into the oven.
Blow up. Plug. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.
This is
I
bean
forgot
soup.
we have to put this in the oven too. Her name's Bean Soup.
I like just lost all my energy.
Yeah, same. I have no energy right now.
Like,
It's okay, I'll take over. Snout. Ready, catch.
Okay, ready? Go on. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Okay, well, we're gonna set a timer.
Okay, Dad.
20, okay, so it's been 3 minutes. How long? Morgan!
With this girl, so do not test me, yeah. Ric Flair drip, go woo. Shoot, 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 shoot.
Today is National Coming Out.
I'm scared.
Today is National Coming Out Day, and I decided to come out that I'm vegan. Out that I'm vegan.
I was in class and this girl dyed her hair purple and I was like, oh my god, your hair is purple. And she goes, your mom's purple. And I'm like, okay.
Actually, this girl tried to fight me at Nationals. I was standing behind her. I guess she thought we were talking about her. And one of her friends turns around, gives us a death stare.
Oh, no,
And
she
we're just like
did it.
standing up there, like I'm talking to my friend, and I noticed her. I'm like, oh my gosh, she's staring at us. And so like I like backed away, and she was still staring at my friend, and she was like,
That's so scary.
and so I was like, oh Kate, like, she's staring at you. And then the girls behind her turned around and was like, do you have a problem? And I was like, what? No. And she's like, you sure? And I was like,
That's funny.
yeah. And she's, I can come up there. And
Oh
I was
my
like,
god.
I'm fine. What are you talking about? She was trying to fight me.
That's so scary.
And her shirt said, bet you can't twerk like us. I'm so excited.
Oh my god, yes!
Don't you need to like put it on something?
I don't know.
Guess not.
Who's your daddy?
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna put them back in the box.
Ew.
Ready?
Oh.
morganxoxxoo.
Yeah.
So now she's just carefully slapping that on. How your daddy slaps you. Aw, bloody hell! It's time to outline.
You thought she was ugly, just wait.
Dad, why don't I have a penis?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Eat more ass!
Eat more ass. Hey. Okay.
No.
Oh, we gotta do a thumbnail. Okay. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out SIMRAN's channel down below and like and subscribe, and bye. Go.
That was so dumb. That was Rock
I'm falling, I can't get up.
That sucks.
That was so challenging.
Oh my god.